Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Turtlebit Stealth Pro headphones and I'm going to show you if there's any app on your Android phone and if yes, how to download it. At first you have to click on App Store and I'm going to tell you that there is application for your headphones. To download it you have to search for Turtle Beach. And here, as you can see, we have Turtle Beach Audio Hub. And as you can see, if we go into our About info, compatible with our Stealth Pro. To download it, we have to just tap on this icon over here. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.